My app is called The Dictionary, and it's basically an app where you can go to get information about different LGBT definitions, pronouns, and what the flags mean. So on one part of the app, like this is just the homepage where the logo and the banner is. And then on like another part, there's meanings where you go to get information about what sexualities are and basically what they mean. And then another part is pronouns, where it tells you different pronouns and how you can use them in different sentences. Like, for example, she, her, like, oh, she has a nice coat, just for an example. And another part of the app is flags, so it explains what different flags are there, like what sexualities they're for and what the colours mean. And that's others for the flags. And then community is basically where you can go and talk about your experiences and maybe coming out, and maybe people can give each other advice and whatnot, and just a general kind of chat room for that. So support is where you can get different links to different organisations that might be more help than just the app.
Okay, and why do you think the app is important, Jasper?
I think the app is important so people can get more educated on the LGBT community, because majority of homophobia is because of not understanding. So when more people understand, that means there will be less chances of people being homophobic or generally negative towards the community once they understand what the community is about.
The Lost Library app is just basically going to be a community where teen writers can receive advice and talk about all of their favourite books. On this page you will be able to log all of the books that you've read, and then in the community basically you will be able to receive advice on your writing. Maybe you're stuck on a character or you want to develop your plot a bit more and you don't know what to do. You can come in here and ask for advice. And then right on this page you'll be able to get writing prompts if you have no ideas and you want to do some writing. And then on this page you will be able to review all of your favourite books, and people will be able to look at those reviews and maybe comment on your review. And then on the last page we have a notice board, which I have put links to the Cork City Library just in case you maybe want to join it or borrow a book. I have my Goodreads link where I post all of my reviews. I have some writing competitions link just in case you might want to put your work out there. And then I also have my Lost Library Instagram linked.
And how have you felt about the whole project?
I'm really enjoying it. It's really exciting to be able to actually develop my own app. And I haven't actually ever come across an app that's based towards teen writers, so I think it's really important.
Hi, I'm Shane, and for Everyone Can Code class, we created a prototype for an app for a social enterprise called the Food Fund. It's a TY social action project to reduce food waste in local schools. We distribute food to penny dinners and raise awareness of food needs in our community. So you see, we have our main page, and we have our teams, which shows who's involved and what they do. We have a tracker which shows how many meals we collect each day. We have a calendar which shows when we collected the food, and it also shows like days off in case we have them. We have goals which show how many meals we donate, and also give us like a notification every 1,000 meals. And finally we have links to all the schools and organisations involved and how you can help.